Hey everyone, I'm back again. I know it's been like probably about a week, but I'm back again. But today I'm gonna review the blaster I got from Goodwill, and that is the Nerf Elite Mega Double Strike Blaster. This is pretty solid blaster, pretty cool looking, pretty unique blaster. It's called the Nerf Double Strike, pretty cool looking. Nerf Double Strike. The cool thing about it is you can actually shoot two types of ammo with this. So what? This you can switch it to Mega. Like what? The down bottom you switch it is to Mega. Up top here, switch it is Elite Darts. Elite Darts. And you switch it to Mega Darts. So yeah. You press up top it holds three elite darts, and down below the red thing here, it holds three of the mega darts right here, just like that. Okay, cool. So when you switch it to elite, it's just elite. Cool. So as I was saying this, you caught this about like that, push the trigger, it works like that. Yeah, it does shoot these elite darts. Now you shoot this thing to Mega. Now you switch this thing to Mega. Pretty solid. Yeah, that's pretty solid blaster. Pretty unique blaster. I like it. That's pretty unique. I just shot something. I think that was my Nintendo Switch. That I got. Yeah, sorry about that. But anyways, that's what I was saying. As I was saying, this is a pretty unique blaster. It looks pretty cool. So yeah. And yeah guys, look. The rail on top you attach to it, it does tag the rail on top, like that. Yeah, just like that. Where you can aim at someone or shoot the target. Whatever you want to do with this. So yeah. That's pretty unique blaster I got. And you actually take this off. Yeah, it's kind of hard to, but yeah. So let's talk about the grip. The grip feels nice. It seems fine to me. Seems pretty good. Seems nice. Trigger looks nice. The switching thing is nice. Looks pretty solid. Looks pretty solid. I like this. This looks pretty unique. So yeah guys, that is the performance of this. So we're gonna do some fire tests and we're gonna do accuracy. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I got my blaster loaded up here. And we're doing some fire tests. You ready? Let's go. Okay, I used up all my elite bullets. Now I'm gonna switch it to Mega. Just like that. Pretty solid blaster. Now let's do accuracy test. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, I got the target set up and let's do some accuracy tests. You ready? Alright, here we go. Let's start elite bullets. Okay. Alright, let's try Mega now. Yeah, what you guys just saw there is kind of not that accurate, but overall, switching two darts ammo there, switching to elite and mega there, shooting two types of ammo, tactical rail top, cocking maximum, pretty easy to cock. It's actually easy to cock too. And grip feels nice. So yeah, it was kind of not that accurate what you guys saw there, but overall, I would give it a thumbs up. I'll give it a thumbs up. I'll give this one give it a thumbs. I'll give this one a thumbs up since I like it. It looks cool. I'll give it a thumbs up because I like it. So yeah, guys, that is the review of the Nerf Elite Mega Double Strike Blaster. So yeah, guys, make sure you click like for this one and subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye.